right, I am going to, I've got a roast here, and I'm going to cook a roast in the slow cooker, and I'm going to have roast beef sandwiches to go with this. So it's going to, I'm going to spray this for cooking oil, cooking oil, spray oil, and I'm going to, it calls for a 4-pound roast, and I've got a 2-pound roast. Okay, now I'm going to mix. I've got a bottle of balsamic vinaigrette. Let me get this out. Let me cut this off a minute. Alright, I had to get the bottle opened, the vinaigrette bottle. Okay. Alrighty, I am going to add Italian seasoning in here. Okay, and I have got an onion soup mix, and I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to stir that up. Stir that up good. That smells good. Alrighty. And I'm going to make sure I got that on. Yep, I got that on. Now I'm going to pour this over this. And I'm going to put the lid on. Alright, I'm going to cook this for about 8 hours. When it gets done, I've got to take the roast out and shred it and put it back in the juice. So I'll bring you back when it gets done. Alright, this is, the roast is done, and I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to shred it. And then I've got to put it back in the juices. Let me get it shredded. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, it's done. I cooked it on high on my slow cooker, and it didn't take 8 hours to get it done. Then I can make me this would be roast beef sandwich meat. Let me get me a knife. Maybe I can shred it a little bit better. Yeah, that's better. I've never cooked a roast this way. With everything I put on it. I'm anxious to see how it tastes. Was that 2 pounds? Oh, it's almost 2 pounds. Recipe called for 4 pounds. Now I have got to put it back, all this back in there. I'm going to turn this around. Let it cook a little bit longer. Alright. I'll bring you back when I get ready to bring it out again. Alright, this is ready to take out. It's just a bubbling, the cooking. Let me get this out here. Now I am going to make me a roast beef sandwich. I got over a bun here. I've got me a spoon. All right. There's my roast beef sandwich. And if y'all like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank you so much.